I'll group them. There's just two groups that we need to cover. One is about the Punjabi songs that last year made a huge impact on me because
Yeah.
like I said, I got introduced to them through Chamkila. So there's one that's Payal by Honey Singh. There's one Winning Speech by Karan Aujla and Naina from the movie Crew. Yeah. So out of these three, there's just one which is from a movie, that's Naina, and of course it topped a lot of charts that year.
Right.
Um, Again, just the beat is very catchy and the tune is very catchy. And even about Payal, what I liked was the way that tabla was used to show a song in the hip hop style.
Yeah.
So that for me was musically a very nice, unique way to present it.
Right.
And Winning Speech, of course, the lyrics, So now I don't just listen to a Punjabi song because it's catchy, especially if it's a Karan Aujla song. I try to understand what it means because that's how big an impact he's made on me as an artist. And because he writes his own songs, and that
Yeah.
respect I have for him and his journey.
Actually,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
that,
yeah. It's great
making a song
for
and making it hit is also a talent. Actually, you
exactly.
need to
So
know
he's
what.
very versatile. He knows exactly. So his independent albums, you will not find songs like Toba Toba, which are more commercial, but he's understood the space really well and he's really gifted
He
in a
is.
very all-round sense.
Yeah.
And I think he has a very good sense of music also. That way, like
Yeah.
he writes and composes his own songs, which is what
Right.
Chamkila did.
Yeah.
And Chamkila also made music for his own songs, which
Yeah.
is again something that is Karan Aujla's
Currents. Yeah. Yeah.
like he sits with his producer and they go through samples together. He has
Mm.
shared this on
Mm.
public platform that
Yeah.
he has that. So it tells you that he also has an ear for music. And if you listen to all his songs, like I have explored his entire discography, and
Hmm.
I feel that every song of his, he sounds different.
Yeah.
The music, the lyrics, of course, the flow, it just slaps, it's just so good. So the lyrics, the effects that is given, the way his voice is mixed with the music,
Hmm.
uh, for every song is just so perfect and so well done and so well in sync that
Hmm.
I think that's why most of his songs that have come out ever since he got into this profession, most of them are hits. Like
Hmm.
right from his first album till, and he's still going so strong and it's
Yeah.
only getting better and better. His curve is just like
So
going.
last year he had the Toba Toba
His
with
debut song in
yeah,
Bollywood, that
and
being
then
such a
now
banger, tells
yeah,
you so much about his journey, right?
yeah,
And
and also he had the right collaborations in the dance part with
yeah, with Vicky,
Kaushal to
and
do
who's
that job.
such a
Yeah,
huge fan
very
of his.
natural actually. Yeah.
Yeah, so when you
So
don't
that's
have to really act and you don't have
yeah,
to really pretend and you're being your
right.
true self,
No,
Kaushal had already shown everyone how big a fan he is of Karan Aujla by dancing to his number that went viral, Softly,
yeah.
right?
Show mercy on it. ਦੋ ਦੋ ਘੋੜੇ ਮਹਿਗਨਾ ਨੀ ਚਾਰ ਜੀ ਵਹਿਗਨਾ ਨੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ 6 ਇੰਚ ਚੱਕੀਆਂ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗੂ ਮਿਟਣੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਥੱਲੇ ਸਿੱਟਣੇ ਨੂੰ 21 ਵਾਰੀ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲਾ ਲੈ ਛੱਤੀਆਂ ਐਨੇ ਇੱਕੋ ਨਾਰ ਦਾ ਮੈਡੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਹਰ ਕਾਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਰੁਕ ਜਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਸਾਲਾ ਰੁਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਲਾ ਲਈਏ ਸਮਾਧੀ ਮੈਡੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਹਰ ਕਾਨੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਸਿੱਖੋ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇਣ ਕਈ ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਨਾਰਾ ਠਾਰ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਬਹਿਰੀ ਰੱਖਾਂ ਸਾੜ ਕੇ ਰਕਾਨੇ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਮੋਟਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਪੱਟੂ ਕਾੜ ਕੇ ਰਕਾਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਬੁੱਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਰੇ ਦੇ ਖੋਟੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਬਹਿੰਦੇ ਰਕਾਨੇ ਚੀਨੇ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਠੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਰਕਾਨੇ ਕਰਾਂ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸ਼ਾਮਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗੂ ਮਿਟਣੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਥੱਲੇ ਸਿੱਟਣੇ ਨੂੰ 21 ਵਾਰੀ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲਾ ਲੈ ਛੱਤੀਆਂ
Instantly came to my mind, and yeah, and so then because we were talking about Karan Aujla, I'll also like to mention Winning Speech.
Hmm.
So that was a song that he dedicated when he won the Juno Awards in Canada,
Hmm.
his Making Memories album.
Hmm.
Uh, this is a song that he wanted to actually, so he has so much to express through his music and through what he writes that it's just every song of his has such fresh flavor. And this song, like really, it did so well. Winning
Hmm.
Speech was there, and then Wavy also came out last year. That one was also really good. So I feel that him now being introduced in Bollywood finally is the right move for him. And I often say this in a lot of Instagram posts about him that he doesn't need Bollywood. Bollywood needs him.
Right.
So I'm just can't wait to see what more
What award he won actually? The Juno Award?
Juno Awards, yeah,
Okay.
in Canada in
Mhm.
2023 when his album released. So 24 he won that award,
Okay.
2020, and he also performed at that time
Mhm.
in Canada. And
Mhm.
he had his concert, right? Last year in December, he had his India tour that happened.
Okay.
It was all a dream. And
We will give him another year to see what is he gonna do actually.
yeah, absolutely. I've been hooked to his music since last year,
Yeah.
and I'm a huge fan of his. So Winning Speech
Sure.
had to be there in my list, and
Yeah.
Toba Toba, of
Yeah.
course,
Yeah.
everybody knows the song. And the last one is that I'd like to talk about is Payal.
Wow.
Honey Singh is good. Like what I like about Karan Aujla and Honey Singh is that they don't. So when you listen to independent songs in Punjabi, it's like they've revolutionized in terms of the music production. They
Mhm.
have adapted to a lot of pop and hip hop beats and all, but
Mhm.
most of the singers are still very traditional in their singing, like that
Right.
heavy influence of Punjabi style of singing in
Absolutely.
kirtans, etc. Now, if you take classical Carnatic into film music,
Mhm.
every song, how will you be able to get that kind of variety in your music?
Right. Yeah.
If you're trying to modernize your beats, your
Mhm.
singing also has to complement that, right?
Right.
So what I love about Honey Singh and Karan Aujla and even Badshah for that matter is they don't bring that heavy set kind of a vibrato
Mhm.
in their voices when they
Right.
sing songs to
Songs for
modern,
Bollywood. Yeah.
not just Bollywood, even their independent albums, if the beat
Mhm.
is going to be a hip hop beat or a drill beat or a trap beat, or
Right.
if they are rapping to a pop kind of a
Mhm.
beat, they will make sure that their vocals also blend with the beat.
Mhm.
It's not like one thing is going on one side and your vocals are going on another side. It's a perfect blend. So
Yeah.
I wanted to mention Honey Singh's Payal here also. It's another independent song of his. He's done it with Paradox.
Mhm.
Was great rap by Paradox too. I mean, Shreya
Mhm.
Ghoshal was impressed and she wanted to learn from
Yeah.
him how to rap.
Yeah.
So
I'm very impressed about the way that you and try to research on this part of the thing because I'm completely unaware about how all these things fit into the mainstream, and then you did
yeah, yeah.
quite a lot of research last year, and I'm so
Yeah,
glad
like
you brought
I
up these
researched a
points.
lot
Yeah.
in Punjabi and then I listen to mashups also, so I'm able to see the distinct style that every singer
Right.
brings.
Quite.
So he brings that blend in beautifully. Like he tries to experiment with different kinds of accent and different
Mm-hmm.
styles. And I recently learned that he's also a music producer.
Mm-hmm.
So I loved with Payal what he did was he used tabla to
Mm-hmm.
make hip hop beats,
Mm-hmm.
which is like so unique. And I think that's why
Yeah.
the song was really well appreciated. And
Yeah.
so, which is why Karan Aujla and Yo-Yo Honey Singh and Bacha and all, they kind of break the stereotypes.
Right.
Karan has a good pitch, he has a very good range, but it doesn't sound deafening even when he
Yeah.
sings because he
Right.
has
Right.
really rich voice quality.
Mm-hmm.
Out there in the Punjabi scene, he's the one for me with the best voice.
You're right.
Best voice ka award, I will blindly close my eyes and give
I
him.
used to, write a lot about amateur singers from Punjab and had covered like I think three singers from that region. One was
Mm-hmm.
Mandeep Kaur, and not very great singers per se, but then they were like above average from
Mm-hmm.
rest of the crowd in Smear. So we picked them, go with them. And Mandy was the biggest pick because she has a open voice. Many of the female singers in Punjab they have this
Yeah, they
tremendous power inside them that
absolutely.
comes out like that actually. So women singers, especially in Punjabi folk scene, are also very profitable
Mm.
business to produce albums, and it's a big business there. I
Oh,
think
yeah,
actually,
it
and
is.
Punjabi music scene is very vibrant, unlike
Abs
you think about actually. It's very
Absolutely.
very very
Yeah.
vibrant.
And these like people pay a lot more. to watch these guys live in concert than they pay.
They do actually. Yeah. In US also, if you say think about the party music in the bars, you go to bars, you hear Punjabi beats everywhere. Actually, you go to the
Absolutely.
bars, it
Yeah.
is Indian music, then it is Punjabi song, and if there's a DJ there, he's a Punjabi. So
Yeah.
if you go abroad, what they know as Bollywood music is Punjabi music. By the way,
Absolutely. So true. So true.
yeah,
Yeah. I'm so glad this comment made it to our discussion today.
right, right.
मेरी जान बांध रखी तूने पायल में, हर कदम तेरा करे मुझे घायल है। अरे हम तो मामूली से गायक थे, तुझे देख के ही तो हुए शायर है। ये जो हम पे छाए हुए बादल है, पहले दिखे न कभी थे पूरे सावन में। रजा तेरी रजामंदी में शामिल है, तेरे हुक्म सर आँखों पे कायल है। हाँ तू कह दे अगर उठेगा नहीं तेरे कंधे से सर, सब पे असर तेरे इश्क से मैंने कभी देखा नहीं मर्ज। तेरा मुझ पे है कर्ज, चुकाना पड़ेगा जो मुझे 100%। क्या किया ये हशर, तेरी आंखों ने भी छोड़ी ना कोई भी